welcome back to my channel. Today we have a very special recipe purposely made for this Christmas. Are you ready? So guys, for the ingredients, we're going to be needing our yam, we're going to be needing our seasoning cubes, we're going to be needing our thyme, we're going to be needing our curry. Guys, make sure to get all these ingredients ready, okay? Exactly the way you're saying it. We're going to be needing our Scotch bonnet, our bell pepper, our onions. We're going to be needing our breadcrumbs. Your breadcrumbs, you can make it by yourself if you don't have, okay? We're going to be needing beef. You can use any meat of your choice here, okay? We're going to be needing our eggs. Of course, our flour. Don't forget that, because we'll forget flour. I'm just kidding, guys. We're going to be needing our flour, okay? And down to our garlic. That's a fresh medium-sized garlic, and our vegetable oil, okay? So to begin with, for the prepping, we're going to be peeling our yams. Make sure to peel your hams into your desired sizes, your desired shapes. Go for the shape you want. Are you going for a stripe? Are you going for a cube shape? Are you going for a triangle shape, a square shape, any shape? Oh, you might even be going for a round shape. Just kidding. Go for any shape of your choice and make sure that you cut it neatly. If you're going for a stripe, make sure that there is no peel on the body. Make sure there's no turn, there's no dark part lying on the yam. Make sure you peel everything very neatly and cut it into your desired shape. I'm going to leave the full ingredients and measurements down in the description box, so be sure to check it out. So moving forward, guys, we're done with peeling our yam into stripes. Oh, I love this shape, guys. You should know, if you know all my yam recipe, I love making the shape. I don't really go for cubes. I go for this, you know, those single. It makes it look like, I just love it. So once you're done with that, you quickly want to get it into water. That is if your yam type is not the one that goes out of color or time, okay? So just get it into your water, give it a thorough wash, give it a very thorough wash. I hope you guys are following. If it requires you changing your water, please do change water and wash again and again and again till it is thoroughly clean. Guys, look at that yam. Look at how white and neat. Oosh. Oh god, I'm falling in love with this recipe. You guys, please make sure you follow in and make this for your Christmas, for your people at home. Make this for your siblings, for your husbands, for your wives. Make it at home, guys. Don't be boring in the kitchen. I've always told you, I'm an advocate of that. You don't have to be boring in the kitchen. Up next is to get our pan on fire. Get your pan on fire. Add your vegetable oil, just a little bit of vegetable oil, not too much. Even add to your desired quantity, how you want it, but not so much. Add your onions. You want to add your garlic. That's me adding my fresh garlic. Oh my god, at this point the kitchen is already smelling so nice, guys. Garlic smells nice, really. Then you want to add in your Scotch bonnet. Depends on how you love to take your pepper. It depends on your pepper intake. If you love your pepper to be so hot, just like me, just go ahead and add sufficient pepper. Go in and add your bell pepper, your green pepper. Add your pepper, your green pepper. Then you want to stir that together, and you want to go in now with your thyme. You want to make sure to mix all your ingredients properly the way it ought to be, so that the scent and the flavor is well incorporated, okay? Now we are going in with your seasoning cubes. If you like, you can use seasoning cubes. It depends on the quantity of the yam you're making. If you're making a very large quantity, please go ahead to add 4 cubes, 5 cubes. Depends on your taste. After that, you want to add sufficient water, not too much, mind you. You want to have sufficient water that is sufficient to cook your yam properly, because you're going to be cooking our yam to tender. So here is where I started adding my yam. Oh my god. So get in your yam. Make sure the yam is sitting well into the liquid, okay? Because you have to give it a deep fry. I said frying. You have to give it a deep cooking. Yeah. we are giving this a deep cooking. So make sure that the all the spice, the sauce is well incorporated into the yam. Now we're going in with our beef. Whichever meat you decide to go with is okay. You can use chicken, you can use anything you want. Then we are going to be covering this up to cook till tender. Remember, we are cooking this till tender to be very soft, including the meat. In fact, the broth water, the stock is already incorporated right now into the sauce. Oh my god, the broth. Oh my god, guys, broth is really very nice. In fact, it's at this point my nose is twisting already. So at this point I'm allowing it to cook more, and here we go. Tara, it's all dried and well cooked. Now guys, I crushed my meats inside the blender. Just crush it in few seconds. It's well crushed, okay, and set that aside. Now you're going to take in a modern pistol. If you like, you can use a modern pistol. If you know you have a mixer, you have a yam pounder, you can please go ahead and use it. But if you know you are using a yam pounder or any other thing, or a mixer, whatever you're using to, you know, crush this yam, make sure that it is not very smooth. Make sure you don't crush it like you want to eat pounded yam. Make sure you just crush it a bit, because we don't need it to be very smooth. We don't need the batter to be very smooth like pounded yam. We need it to be crushed a bit, roughly crushed. So that's why I'm going in with my mini mortar and pestle. So you want to crush that. At the end of the day, you see that when I finish crushing it, it still has a hand. Like, can you see? It's not, you know, too smooth. Now guys, you want to get your meat, the meat you blended, you crushed rather, get it into a container. Then for moisture, I decided to use some balm just to give it that moist. Okay, so now to start with, you want to take little part of your of the yam paste, and then you want to get into round shape. Then dip it, as you're seeing, just like you're seeing in this video. Just dip it into your flour, dip it into your egg, dip it into your breadcrumbs. Add your meat, whatever sauce you're having for the filling. Make sure just add it. In fact, your filling might be more than this. Just do what suits you, okay? Because at the end of the day, there's no policy here now. You're cooking for fun. So guys, repeat the same process. Just dip it into your flour, dip it into your egg, dip it into your bread crumbs. Make sure it is well coated, okay? Then you have to spread it out on your cutter, and then add your fillings, cover up. Ta-da! We got the shape, guys. Yam pie on the way. So guys, want to add your oil, sufficient oil, into your pan and give this a very not deep fry here. It is actually a pan fry. To give it a deep fry, because if you give it a deep fry, it's going to drink. It's going to absorb whole your oil. We don't want to do that. We don't want it to be soggy. Yeah, so you're gonna give it a pan fry, not deep fry, pan fry. So you repeat the same process until the whole snacks is exhausted, until you're done frying everything. Just keep repeating the process till you're done. Voila, our yam pie is ready. Guys, I can't wait to dig into this, truthfully. So if you were trying to have this recipe, do let me know down in the comment section. I'll be there to reply you. If you're trying it out, please let me know if you're trying it out, because this Christmas, repeat after me, this Christmas we are not going to be boring in the kitchen. Who's going to be boring? Of course, I believe it's not you, because you've just watched this. Please let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. I love you guys. Merry Christmas in advance and Happy New Year in advance.